We got the opening bell coming up. What do we have? First rates, 25,778, about a 0.4% lower. The Nifty Bank is down about 0.5, 58,178. Sensex and the small and mid-cap indices will come up on your screens as well. So this is the overall picture. So a third of a percent down, 25,792. Is the opening rates. Nifty 50 heat map will give you a quick sense of where things are landing, and then we will pick it up from there. Adani on one end, Tata Motors passenger vehicle business there as well, but bulk of it is all in the red. ONGC, Tata Steel, Eicher, etc. on the other end of the spectrum. But almost 40 stocks lower and about 10 stocks which are higher. But I suspect this will change, and you will see a bit of a swing up and down. From where we are starting. Surabhi.
Well, my screen is stuck, I think, on Bihar. So, Nigel, please fill us in.
Well, plenty of stocks moving around from the broader markets. It's the final day of earnings. Wowee. But let's address the stocks first. You have Muthoot Finance. On expected lines, they've gone ahead and increased their guidance, but the street loves it. They were waiting by for this announcement. The management promised it's going to happen. And that stock is bursting away. It's up more than 7% as we speak. Grow continues to move higher. That's up closer on 6%. What a fantastic listing this one has had. It continues to move from strength to strength. Jubilant Food. I don't know where the Pizza Huts are coming out, but that stock, in fact, opens up with a gain of closer on 5%. So clearly the street likes those numbers. Bharat Dynamics moving, like a missile. That's up closer on 5%. So good move is what we're seeing out there. And KRBL as well, up closer around 4.5%. GMR Airports, I recall Vinny saying that those numbers are quite good. And Vishal Mega Marts as well, that number was quite good. So the street likes it. All those reacting favorably to the numbers. Now on the flip side, LG Electronics. Had a good amount of subscription, priced the issue very, very well. The stock ran away. The numbers are a little bit disappointing. Well, I'll tell you what, we'll get some clarifications from the management in just a wee bit from now. So that's going to be a stock on the radar. We also have Tilaknagar Industries. Well, the growth was there, but maybe not as much as anticipated. Some of those price hikes, I think, may be due in the next quarter. But for the time being, the street doesn't like it. They're slamming the stock down closer around 7% as we speak. PG Electroplus, another management will get in the next 30-40 minutes or so. So that one as well is down closer around 3%. And Nalco coming in for some profit taking. So a lot of action on the in the broader markets. The mid-cap index, to be fair, is more or less flattish. PG Electroplus, actually, the stock, I think, gapped down closer around 6%. Now it's given up all of those losses on the verge of moving to the green. Street is willing to look ahead.
And absolutely. And, this is some of the stuff which is coming through, right? Muthoot, maybe I just want to go back to it, right? That's the big winner, a continued winner. That's a breakout. I mean, it's, as I was saying earlier, I think for the last about 4 months or so, it's been flat, ranged. But that's almost a 4,000 rupee stock now, Muthoot Finance. Look at the volumes, almost getting to that million share mark coming through. Manish